You searched how to buy shares of Roadzen Inc. Roadzen Inc. operates in the automotive and road safety technology sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RDZN. This information is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your accounts, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RDZN to find Roadzen Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the RDZN ticker to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company's basic profile and the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the listing clearly matches Roadzen Inc. and the RDZN ticker before moving on. Press the Invest or Buy button. Choose the amount to invest, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will queue or execute when the market reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the order completes. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For the exact demo link, see the description below.